Wanna know how to play Buddy AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get started or play with Buddy AI if it's your first time playing. So let's get right into it. Now, but you need to know that Buddy AI is all about for your children for learning maths and any other subjects properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Buddy AI easily so that you can navigate you and your children or any other little brother that you have. So let's get right into it. Now you can just simply select let's start right here in order to start it up, and now select continue. Now you can just simply select the age of your child. Just simply type in your kid's name, just simply select continue, and then select continue again, and now just simply type in or fill out these questionnaires. So once you have completed all the questionnaires, you can just simply select continue. Once everything is done, just simply select continue. Now you can just simply start using it after Buddy AI gives its statistics right here. Now just simply select continue again, and it should be good to go. Now you can just simply start using Buddy AI, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in to us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.